All right, so one of the ways tellers can make money, aside the regular sewing durations, like from 8 a.m. in the morning to 6 p.m. at night or in the evening, rather. Now, one of the ways they can make more money is by working extra time at night. Now, this is the time here is 11:16 p.m. 11:16 p.m. and I am still at my work office, at my workspace, trying to clear off some load of jobs I have. Now, the reason I am doing this is not as if I am not tired or it's not as if I don't have workers. Now, there are some things you need to do extra mile or extra time for you to be able to clear off these jobs. And if you don't do them, they will still pile up for you. As you can see, some fabrics I have gummed and prepared, and these fabrics will be sewn in the morning. And then the time I will use to gum them has been, cut off from the working hour during tomorrow morning. So tomorrow morning, before 10 o'clock, I am done making those two tops because I have taken my time to, put in more working hour during the night. So this is one of the ways you can make more money by working extra time during the night, especially if you work from home. Now, it's advisable that most people get a very conducive environment at home so that they can stay at home and work before they go to their shop or go to wherever the office is, right? So the next one you can also make more money from is by teaching people. Now you can organize trainings, physical trainings or online trainings. Now these trainings must be properly organized in a way that you can, teach people effectively and they tend to pay you certain amount of money. Now physical trainings will be in the place where you have your office or your shop where you, make adverts on Facebook and every other social media platform, WhatsApp, even your church groups and gatherings. You can put up your adverts anywhere to let people know that you are available to teach people who might want to learn fashion designing. So this is one of the ways you can also make money. Now, aside that, you can also make money by doing online trainings, on Facebook, on Seller, on Telegram, even on YouTube. You can also fetch you some good amounts of money. Now, the next you can do as well to make money is by selling courses online. Courses you can, try to brand shirts, courses and sell the courses online. It's also part of the online training as well. You can also make good money from it. Now, the next you also want to make money from is by using Facebook or YouTube as a platform where you teach free trainings. Now, when you start teaching these free trainings, along the line, this platform, you will reach the monetization requirements and obviously you will get monetized and you will start making money from these platforms. But I will recommend you use YouTube because YouTube is one of the most simplest, the best platform you can use to monetize your content, and you will be able to set it up by yourself without any much assistance from anyone, right? And it's easy to create account and manage account properly. Unlike Facebook and other platforms as well, you might be needing an admin or a manager who might help you to manage your account. Now, having said this, now the next way you also make money is by going out and looking out for contract jobs. Just like today, I happened to go to one of the offices in Owerri and I was able to secure a contract job to make an overall for that particular company. Now, these companies could be banks, offices, that wears overall, right? And you can go there and secure contracts to make overall for them. In most cases, you can make these overalls as already made and have your samples of your overall, make colors that are well used in the field. For example, white, sky blue, royal blue, navy blue, and sometimes coffee brown. So these colors are colors that you can find in banking hall, in companies, in hospitals. You can do scrubs. You can do duvet. You can do a lot of stuff to go to hospitals for marketing. And when you go, you must make sure that you have enough capacity to produce these stuffs in quantity so that when they place order, you will not waste a whole lot of time in production, right? So when you're able to make scrubs are female, they are V-neck free wear. They wear in hospitals. So you can make scrubs. You can start with like 5 or 10 and sample them as say your products. And you might not tell the outcome of the patronage that you might get from potential customers, right? Now, the next you can do as well is by making ready to wear senators, vintages, shirts and shorts, all these free wears. You can make them in mass production and also market them online through Facebook sponsored ads or through any of the social media platforms, right? So now, when you have all of these things in check and in line, you observe that you have a lot to do. And on the long run, one of these stuffs will pay off and you'll be able to start making revenue from them, right? Now, these and more are what you could do to make money aside the regular sewing. You can also do fashion consultations where you will become a consultant on people who might need directives to run their fashion brand, and they come to you and seek for your advice for you to become, for them to get a perfect knowledge on how to start up the fashion brand, right? You could also sell sewing accessories as part of your hustle, and this will go a long way to also give you some insights and some income as well, right? Now you can also, do a lot of stuff inside the fashion industry. So don't limit yourself to only sewing. Don't bring your whole hope on sewing alone. Cultivate the habit of making more inquiries on how you can diversify your income in sewing or in fashion industry. Your machine alone will not be able to give you money to pay your bills, your house rent, your shop rent, your feeding, your clothing, and every other thing, right? So you need to, make a push for you to be able to achieve that. Now, I will encourage you to start small, but don't remain small, right? So always be ambitious in all your dealings, but don't be over ambitious. So start small, but don't remain small. All right, guys. So I believe these insights might have given you some knowledge on how to diversify your income and also helped you to guide you on what next to do. Now, this is a fresh year. You can start up your channel this year. Before the end of the year, you must be monetized once you are consistent and once you are good in whatever you're teaching on YouTube and any other platform you might have organized, right? So don't forget to like this video, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and also drop your questions in the comment section of this video. I will go around the comment sections to answer or to entertain your questions. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys on the next one. Bye bye for now.